Hello and welcome to this tutorial on scanning with the NextEngine 3D scanner. In this video I will be showing how to scan an object with the 3D scanner and ScanStudio HD and export it for use in another 3D program. So I will place the puppet that is going to be scanned on the multi-drive. Making sure that it is securely placed, I will press the scan button. This brings up the scan panel where we can adjust our settings before scanning. First, let's name our scan by clicking in the model field. I'll call this CB Puppet Body Tut. Okay. In the Scan Family section, we can set our scan to single, which will only do one scan, or bracket, which will take 3 scans that are offset from each other. I'll leave this at 360 because I want to scan 360 degrees around the object. There's also divisions, which determines the number of scans that will be done. If we felt that there needed to be more overlap between scans, we could increase this number. Or if we thought that the object required fewer scans, we could set this to a lower number. Note that we cannot change the angle or use additional scan families as we are not using the multi-drive. Now, we can come down to the points per inch squared, which determines our resolution. Right now I had this set to HD, which gives us 2,000 points per square inch. Target allows us to indicate to ScanStudio whether our object is neutral or whether it is dark or light. This is important because saying this incorrectly can cause the scan to give poor results. Coming down to range, this allows us to set how far away our object is from the scanner. Since the object is too large to use the macro setting, I will set this to wide and make sure that the puppet is centered in the view and within the indicated distance range. The turn and step arrows allow us to rotate the auto drive. Clicking on one of the turn arrows rotates in precise increments. Step arrows rotates based on the divisions that we set earlier. Clicking this once moves 1 division. We can also click and drag in the view. Something like this. To crop out any unwanted area. Now we're ready to scan. Click the Start button to begin and wait for the scanning process to finish.